Warszawa Centralna. I'm gonna spend 3 days in here. Soviet architecture. Oh look, free Fanta. Gracias, senor. Very nice. Museum Techniki. Free hostel. Палац культуры и науки. Familiar architecture. I found my hotel. Doesn't look too good. We have a bridge, some fitness, some alcohol consumption, great weather. Yo, Ayuma Yuba. Another one. Something to do with the Smolensk. Apparently there was a plane crash. Warsaw. Photo opportunities. Some dudes on the bikes. We have a royal castle. We have a church. And another church. A mermaid. Do it. Here comes the water. We have some red bricks. Yeah, get it. The day is over. What's going on? Forever fire. Cybertruck spotted in Poland. My Uber is here. Today we are in Poland on a second day. Could have spent some money for some Mexicans to cut it off. Cut the grass, goddammit. Single good looking building. Школьники. The building missing the part. Some locals. We got ourselves in Zara. Polish Mall. Today is a Friday. Busy shopping day. This is my hotel. All the things. Like what? Read and shit. That's a good advice. "20 years. Polski Inui." Polski traffic. You people need to stop selling spray paint. It's everywhere. Sweden. We've just been there. Mustache guy. And we're going to the park. Frederick Chopin monument. Old orangery. 16 euros to get in. Some Chinese architecture. Fallen apart. We have a palace on the aisle. Some good looking sofas. How you doing? So slow, oh my god, bro. Just drop it already. Bitcoin crossing. We walk this street tonight. We have some clubs. Zikodermo. Kanoe. Another day in paradise. We have the policia blocking the streets. We have rainbows everywhere. What is going on? Oh no, I knew it. Not the Poland. It's not gonna work out, guys. It's not gonna work. I think it's gonna be a parade. Lots of police though. Oh, we have Madonna coming. Truck is gonna fly away. Like in city of Malmo. We're going in. What's going on? Tickets. Ticket acquired. No more rainbow flags. Ешкера. Taras. Oh no, you cannot jump. No good. We have a central train station. We have a lot of money. Some information. $8 for this view. And we are here. Some tickets for metro. That's it. Welcome.
Convenience change to suburban and not
In metro. Dworzec Gdańsk. We have a Westfield in Poland. It's a good mall. I didn't find anything useful. We got best ice cream on the planet. There they are. We got ourselves a bear. Crazy good looking bear. Some sort of palace. Freaking expensive. Some bubbles. People still partying, and I'm I'm going to airport. Till next time.